2-minute emotional reframe from fear to curiosity. Acknowledge the emotion. Fear is a natural response. It's your brain's way of protecting you, signaling that something feels uncertain or risky. But what if fear isn't the enemy? Step 1 is redefine fear. Let's reframe fear. Instead of seeing it as a wall, imagine it as a compass. Fear isn't there to stop you, it's there to guide you. It points to areas where growth is possible, where you're about to step outside your comfort zone. Think of a time you were afraid to try something new, learning to swim, speaking publicly, or starting a new job. That fear wasn't a sign to stop. It was a sign that you were stepping into something meaningful. Shift your perspective. Now let's shift from fear to curiosity. Instead of asking one question, ask another. Instead of saying, what if I fail? Ask the question of what could I learn? What could I figure out here? What could open up new doors? Fear narrows your focus. Curiosity expands it. With curiosity, fear transforms into a question of what's next, and you could actually turn it into excitement. That's the beauty. So the next time fear arises, take a deep breath, inhale, say this. This is excitement in disguise. Notice how your body feels, the heartbeat, the breathing, the energy in your chest. That's the fuel for curiosity. So let's bring it all together. Empower the change. Fear isn't a stop sign, it's a signal. It's the universe tapping you on the shoulder saying, pay attention, this moment matters. Reframe it, embrace it, and step forward with curiosity, because on the other side of fear is not just courage, it's discovery. So go from fear to reframe to curiosity to discovery. I am Mario De Leone, the NLP Confidence Coach. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share and comment.